Okay, sports fans, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. This is what Black Friday is all about. Buying yourself gifts. I bought myself a bunch of stuff. A couple tripods, camcorder. Because, you know, they were at Best Buy, they were real cheap. This, I believe, is the big one. This is the gift. Yep, see that? That says Dell. What could that be? Well, could be a brand new laptop for Daddy. Oh yeah. Alright, we got ourselves a laptop. It says here, if this seal is broken or the package is damaged, check contents before signing receipt. Okay, I didn't sign any receipts, but I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up. Let's see our new computer. So what I got was a Dell, I believe it's Core i5. It's got an SSD drive. It has a 15-inch touch screen, which is awesome because I don't think the mouse that I ordered came yet. It'll come in a couple days, but yeah, let's see what we got here. So, okay. That's one part. I think it just opened it up like that. Alright, so we got some interesting looking packing material in there. Take that out like so. And here's your laptop. Upside down. Ooh. Remember not to eat this stuff. It's silica gel. Do not eat. Do not eat, throw away. Does that mean throw it away, or does that mean do not eat or throw it away? Here's your quick start guide. So the Inspiron 15 3000. Yeah, we'll do a quick start video. Which really isn't that quick because it wants you to like start a password and all this stuff, and I'm gonna have to think about my passwords and my email and stuff because I use a different one for every device. I know I'm weird, but that's the way I do it. I don't know why. It's double redundancy for security purposes, I guess. What's this here? This is your warranty and safety information. And that's all that's left in that part of the box, so I'm going to put this back in case I ever want to use this box again. Which, hopefully I never will, because the only reason I'm ever going to use that box is if I'm going to return it. And here's your, in this section here, you get your 2-part power cord. I'm sorry. You get your power cord. This part plugs into the side of the computer, and then this part plugs into this part, and then that part plugs into the wall. Then Celia, just for those of you who don't know, and that's fine, you know, you don't know what you don't know until you know it. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think that made sense. So here, this is your standard 3-prong plug. Put it in the wall. There's 3 prongs here. They go in these 3 prongs here. That's your capacitor. Okay, right? And then this goes into the side of the computer, or this side of the computer, or whatever side of the computer. But let's just take a look at this sucker. Oh, by the way, this is $400. Best Buy Black Friday. Pretty sure the regular price was $6. I just couldn't pass it up. Now, a couple things. Alright, so it's got that Dell kind of like, I don't know, dashboard kind of like pattern. You know what I'm talking about? Can you see me? I can't see you. Let me see what I'm looking at here. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Alright, so here's your laptop. So on the side here you got USBs. Okay, I'm hoping those are 3.0. And then this guy here is a HDMI input. Okay, HDMI input, two USBs there. There's a LAN port, which is nice. Not everybody has these. Pretty sure the MacBook Air doesn't have that. There's where the power cord goes in. On the other side, you got another USB. So it's 3 total, okay? And then you got a card slot. There's a card reader for an SD card, or, you know, an adapter. There's also a headphone jack, and I have no idea what that thing is. There's no DVD drive on this one. The one I bought 2 years ago had DVD drive. This one does not. And also, it doesn't have a hard drive. It has a it has an SSD drive, so it's not an optical. It's not the standard hard drive. You got the touchpad right here, power button up here, spill-resistant keyboard right here. Yeah, it's a beautiful machine. Brandy new. Oh, it's got an HD webcam and a microphone. So, and a Core i5 processor, 7th generation. I think my other one was 5th generation, maybe 6th. And yeah, I'll do a video where we power it on and we see how fast it goes and all that kind of stuff. This thing's basically going to be used for vlogging. I think I'll probably use this on my next YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. There's your Dell PC unboxing video. Inspiron 3000 series, the Inspiron 15 3000 series from Best Buy on Black Friday 2018. That's what you get for 400 bucks. Like, share, and subscribe this video, please. Thank you very much. Have a great day.